welcome to or welcome back to Auntie's Cakery. One of the perks of having a YouTube channel is that people contact you to try out their products. And sometimes I'm like, oh, that kind of looks cool, I'll give it a try. And this company sent me an airbrush, a cordless airbrush. So I'm really excited to review that and see how it works. But not only did they send me one, they sent me two! So guess what? I am going to give one away to one of you. So stick around for the video and I will give you some details on how to get your name in the drawing for this other airbrush. All right, let's try it out. So here I have just a scrap piece of fondant I'm going to practice on. Got the airbrush and I'm using Hawaiian blue airbrush color from US Cake Supply. Little cap here, that's nice. I like the idea of a cap. Pour some of that in there. Cap back on. Now this is my first time using it. I haven't opened it up before now, so we'll see how it goes. I'm going to push the air down. Oh, that's kind of an awkward hold. How do you... Oh, there we go. That's better. I tried to hold it like this. It didn't really work, so... Just down to make the air flow. And a little bit back. Aha, there it is. Okay, it does okay with the fine lines. Let's try a nice thick line. Very nice. All right, that's a good practice. Let's get out the cake. Well, that went surprisingly well. I honestly didn't think it was going to work as well as it did, but I am surprisingly amazed. So, I'd say this is a product worth having, and yes, I'm giving this one away. How do you get your hands on this, you say? Well, the first thing you need to do is go down in the description box, and I have a link to my email newsletter. Just go ahead and click that. You'll get a welcome email from me. That one sends out automatically. And just so you know, I do read all the emails that I'm sent. And now I'll finish decorating this cake. So there it is. This was a really quick decorate. I only had a couple hours. So it's not the best cake I've ever done, but really this video was about giving the airbrush away anyway. And just so you know, this company did not pay me to promote their product. They just asked if I wanted to try it. And I have. I like it. I hope you will like it too. If you do want to get further information about this, I'll see if I can find a link to their website and put it in the description box for you as well. You got the first step on how to enter the drawing for it. Second step is please subscribe. I would really like to give it to one of my subscribers. Sign up for my newsletter, subscribe. You can like this video or not, that's up to you. That said, thank you for watching. Bye.